Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a bar, there a bar, everywhere a ba-ba. Moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Quack, quack here and a quack, quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack, quack. Ribbit, ribbit here and a ribbit, ribbit there, here a ribbit, there a ribbit, everywhere a ribbit, ribbit. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-E-I-E-I-O.
Hello, hello, hello. Hello children, welcome back to Teacher Gita's video. Today we are going to making art and craft about barn, and we are going to paste some farm animals and farm products. Let's review about farm animals first. Do you know what animal is that? Yes, cow. How about this one? Yes, it's a sheep. Next, what animal is this? Yes, chicken. Now let's talk about the farm products. What do cows give us? Yes, milk. How about sheep? Wool. And what do chickens give us? Yes, eggs. Now let's do our art and craft. Check your learning pack, children. Now you can find some materials from the learning packs, and you also prepare the scissors and the strong glue. Now let's take this paper from the materials first. And what should we do? We do the cutting all the pictures. Next, we take this paper and we fold by 4 and let's cut.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O.
We need 8 long paper. After that, let's fold. Fold and fold again. Yes, don't forget to spread the glue on it. Now let's take one picture and you will paste like this. You make letter L. Let's get the glue on it. Do the same things with these objects. For the labels, we are going to make the smaller sticks. So we are going to fold it again. Don't forget to spread the glue. And fold a little bit like this. Next, let's paste the labels. Now let them dry. Alright children, it's time to make the barn. take this paper and this one. I guess this one is not fit yet, so let's make sure. We are going to fold it back. See, I fold it back like this. The different one. I make it smaller now. And let's check. Is it fit already? Oh, I think so. Look at that. It's fit already. Now let's do the same thing with the other paper. Let's fold with the same size. Spread the glue.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Yes, like this. Next, take this paper and let's make sure first. I will make it smaller because this is for the layer inside of the barn. Cut the paper. Now let's paste the first layer. Now the second layer. Yay, we did it! 3 layers like that. And now let's paste the roof. For making the roof, we do the measurement first. Yeah. And fold both sides. Do the measurement again. And we make it smaller.
Can you find a circle? Ready? Go!
Yes, it's fit. Now let's spread the glue on both sides.
Let's make a diamond. Can you make a diamond? Here we go. A diamond, a diamond. Can you make a diamond? A diamond.
Now
a diamond.
paste to the barn.
A diamond, a diamond. Can you find a diamond? A diamond, a diamond. Can you find a diamond? Can you find a diamond? Ready? Go!
Take the labels and let's paste them.
What's next? How about a square?
Now let's start to take the farm animals picture and spread the glue on it, and we are going to paste the farm animals on the layer.
A square. Can you find a square? Can you find a square? Ready? Go!
Next, the farm products. Find hen lays
Alright.
eggs.
Time for one more. Let's try a heart.
Cow give us milk.
A heart, a heart. Can you make a heart? A heart, a heart.
Sheep give us wool.
A heart, a heart. Can you find a heart? A heart.
Yay! Done with the farm animals and farm products. Now let's
you
make
find
the
a heart?
sign with the cross line.
Ready? Go!
Take the long white paper. Yes, this is the left paper. We are going to make it 2 lines. I don't want to make it long, so I will cut
a
a
diamond,
half
a square,
and cut
a
it by
heart.
2.
A circle, a diamond, a square, and a heart. A circle, a diamond, a square, and a heart. A circle, a diamond, a square.
Next, spread the glue and paste like this. The other one and paste again. Yay, done! Good luck for your art, children. Bye bye.